All right, definitely got the picking nice and solid. So moving on to more challenging stuff here. I'm going to go over the theory, basically check it, and go over what needs to change in the video here. Believe there is a little misunderstanding on what we needed to focus on. I just briefly looked at it, and some of it's what we were trying to do, some of it's a bit out of the box. But the main idea was practicing those three, basically those shapes, the ones that she had tabbed out and worked through. So just those and those alone, so we get practice with those. So we're not trying to do extra chord shapes or anything like that yet. But let's get to playing this. So remember, always break things down into smaller pieces if you need to. So you can definitely work on, one bar at a time, 2 bars at a time. So this is another instance where we have the rhythm written out with a lot of tied eighth notes to make it easier to read where all the downbeats and upbeats are. And then we do the same rhythm once again, using quarter notes as much as we can instead of the tied eighth notes. But rhythmically, it's the same. So this rhythm pattern is the same as that rhythm pattern. So getting the notes down first, still in the key of E minor or the key of G. And this is what we got, note-wise, not rhythmically. Basically just going up 5 notes at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Okay. Now let's apply the rhythm. I'll count along just to make sure you got it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and oh man, I just noticed this needs to be an up, not a down. There we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 4. 1, 2, and 2, 3, and 3, 4, and 1, and 4, 1, 2, and 2, 3, and 3, 4, and done. All right, 120. Whoops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and 4. 1, 2, and 2, 3, and 3, 4, and 1, and 4. 1, 2, and 2, 3, and 3, 4, and done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That was gross. All right, 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay. So let's go through chord stuff, talk about what's good, what needs to be fixed. So you notice you said that you were trying not without duplicate notes. Oh, I think I understand what you mean now. Yeah, so basically, all those chords, everything is supposed to be using one of these. So yeah, whenever we do a chord theory thing like this, basically whatever was, you know, given last, that's what we need to use for the progression stuff. All right, let's see. See the Aeolian, yes. That's perfect like that. The G Mixolydian. So yeah, the G chord is good. F, we're not going to use that because that's not using the shapes we're working with. Same thing with the C, definitely not the A minor. So that one does need to get reworked. B Locrian, yes, definitely that. D minor, that's got to be changed. Missing a chord name here, got to add that in. Now, actually, where those are, that actually works really well. So you just need another place for the D minor and the correct D minor shape for what we're working with right now. Let's see, the Dorian one. You almost had it, but yeah, use an inversion. We're not working with inversions yet. So we got to stick with the chord number 4. You put a G over D, that's incorrect anyway. G is chord number 5. So yeah, we need to redo that one, just that one bar. Everything else, that's a really good path for one chord to the next so far. F Lydian, so yep, can't start that one there because it's not, you can't play the F chord the way we're working with those shapes. So it has to start up here. That's where you have to start this progression. So that one, we're just gonna have to redo it. Chord names are all correct though, and yes, F Lydian's the mode. All right, C Ionian. First 2 chords good. Those need to get fixed because they're not following the shapes we're currently working with. And then E Phrygian. So yeah, chord number 2, need to fix that because that is not one of the chord shapes we are currently working with. So depending on where you go for that D minor, that G could work quite well. You may end up playing it somewhere else, but I'm going to leave it there for now because that could work. So yeah, stick with only those shapes we have previously worked with. So we're focusing on, again, just those types of chord shapes. Nothing else right now. Although what you did was creative and good, so it does show that, yeah, you definitely understand stuff, which is great. But, yeah, focus on those chord shapes. So fill them back in, send it over. Let's see what you come up with. And, yeah, any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos. And I believe, yeah, this is it for December. So see you again for the January stuff.